Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a delicious roll sandwich. First, select a fresh, soft roll, perhaps a Kaiser or a sub roll, about 6 inches long. Carefully slice it horizontally, making sure not to cut all the way through, keeping one side connected. This creates a perfect pocket for your fillings. If you prefer a slightly crispier texture, you can lightly toast the roll for about 1 to 2 minutes before adding any ingredients. This simple step enhances the overall experience. Next, it's time to add some flavor with your chosen spreads and fillings. Generously apply your favorite spread, like mayonnaise, mustard, or a creamy aioli, evenly across both cut sides of the roll. Then, layer your main ingredients. For example, place about 4 to 6 slices of deli meat, such as turkey or ham, ensuring good coverage. Follow this with 1 or 2 slices of your preferred cheese, like cheddar or provolone, for an extra layer of taste and texture. Now, let's add some freshness and crunch with vegetables and toppings. Place 2 to 3 crisp lettuce leaves on top of your cheese and meat. Follow this with 2 or 3 juicy slices of ripe tomato. For an extra tangy kick, consider adding a few thin slices of red onion or some dill pickle chips. Finally, if you like, drizzle a small amount of your favorite dressing, perhaps Italian or ranch, or sprinkle a pinch of salt and pepper for seasoning. Finally, it's time to bring your delicious creation together. Carefully close the top half of the roll over the fillings, gently pressing down to secure all the ingredients inside. To make it easier to handle and eat, take a sharp knife and cut the sandwich cleanly in half, either straight down the middle or diagonally. Your homemade roll sandwich is now ready to be enjoyed. Serve it immediately and savor every flavorful bite of your perfectly assembled meal.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.